Hello, today I have a Peugeot 2008 2015 model. I'm going to show you how to reset service light or spanner light. It's very easy. Yeah, when I going to start the car, see if I start the car, it said 50 miles overdue, and there is a red color sign there. It say service. First we need to hold this spanner button, and after that switch on the ignition. I'm going to do it now. First press and hold this service spanner button in the right hand side. This is the button, press and hold it, and after that I'm going to put on ignition. Now it's ignition on. You see this countdown and your hazard light going on until it's going to 1-0. Now service light reset. This is the way we need to do the service light. Now I'm going to start the car and have a look. It's all reset. Yes, it's all reset now. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors.